Today we're going to talk about the Tuileries. This is a tote bag. Welcome to LV ReLoved. If you're new today, thank you for joining us, and if you're returning, it's so good to see you again. Please subscribe so that you're the first to know of all things LV. Today we're going to talk about the Tuileries. This is a tote bag. This creation I bought off eBay, and I got a really good deal. I was super excited to get it because it's always something on my radar. You know, we have those bags, we know how hard they are to find and what price we should pay for them. So I got a steal of a deal. It was only in production from 2014 to 2015. And the pictures look great. I've been following it for a while because this was one of those bags on my radar that I really wanted to get and to get my hands on and to try it out and see if I want to keep it or if I want to sell it. And it mysteriously went discontinued like a lot of our favorite bags are. So when I saw this, I got it. The seller's rating checked out, the pictures checked out, all the stars aligned, and this ended up being mine. The day that I knew it was coming, I waited home all day, I open it up, I take a good look at it, and I spin it around a few times, marveling. I'll give you a nice little look-see. Everything looked good, but fake! So as the air starts to clear and I have decided that this is not authentic, obvious signs are glaring at me. The seller was very crafted at photography and hiding some things for the trained eye. And it always just worries me about the people out there that maybe aren't as skilled but are still as excited about getting an LV. And you know, that's what I try and do. You know, I've been asked, why don't you carry it? It's pretty still. I'm like, actually it's not. I'm tainted by the fact that I know that it is not real and I don't want it. I had it sitting up in my closet for 2 years waiting for the right time to share, and when I did the KonMari to my closet, I was forced to get rid of it. So and it's not the only bag. I have stories behind all these other ones, and the story about this one was, you know, at first I thought, oh no, did the seller get scammed? Did she think she was so nice? Did she think she had the real deal? And is she out money? Because I did get my money back, but it took over a month for the process. So if you needed that cash, you could be in a real situation. I was protected, you know. The reason why I have it back in my hands is because I sent it back signature required, and the owner failed to pick it up. Maybe she was scared, but that shows me that she did know it wasn't real because the money was taken out of her account, popped into mine, and she never went and picked up that bag. I'm not going to donate this because I don't want this happening to someone else. I don't want someone to try and resell it. I don't want anyone to think it's value. And plus, again, the integrity of the brand. To keep, you know, the value and the prices where they should be, we've got to be diligent in how these are bought and sold, as well as the care they're given. So me and my fellow friend sellers, we're always finding ways to try and teach people how to care for their LV or how to purchase one. We give recommendations because this is a big investment, and I just cringe knowing that someone out there did the same thing as I did. No shame in it because I'm telling you about it, but they did the same thing. I'm sure there's many times over. They overpaid for something that was not real. I would not donate it. It may happen again, and I don't want anyone getting hurt. I don't want anyone getting lost on money. I've seen it happen. But the reason why I got it back, after 30 days, I called eBay. I said, obviously, she's never gonna pick it up. They said, you gotta wait a little bit longer. And they finally deposit the money back in my account. Another 2 weeks go by and I get a package, and it kind of throws me for a loop because it's my handwriting. So I'm like, oh, what is this? And as I start opening it, I realize it's this. So I got it back and I put it in my closet where it sat for 2 years. And now I'm taking it apart, and I think I might make something with it, like a footstool, or I don't know what I'm gonna do, but not gonna sell it. I'm not gonna give it away either, because it could get, well, it could easily get in the wrong hands, and we don't want that. But thank you for watching. Again, please subscribe to my channel. I will eventually let you know what I end up doing with the faux canvas on this Tuileries. And it is a, you know, normally if it was authentic, it's a beautiful bag, and I still have it on my radar. And at times I still get blinded by, you know, my obsession of LV, but I'm learning every day like we all are. So stay vigilant and ask questions. Always authenticate, which I do. And stay tuned. Thank you. Have a great evening. Until next time. Bye.